Yes, exercise 14.2, question number 2, last part is pending. As you can see that 4 terms are given, but in case of 4 terms, you already know that we will make the pair of 2 terms and we will take common. But here it's not possible to take common from these 2 terms and these 2 terms. So what you will do, you will apply the formula. As you can see that this is a combination of B and C. So it means that these 3 terms are having one formula because it is a combination of B and C. So what you will do, you will first take minus common. If you take minus common, it will be 4b square. If you take minus common from this negative term will become positive. Positive term will become negative, and again negative term will become positive. So this 4 and 49 are your perfect square term. So this is your a square plus b square minus 2a into b. Multiply it, 2 2s are 4, 4 7s are 28. So that means this last 3 terms are having the second identity. A square plus b square minus 2ab is a minus b whole square. And we have already minus sign here. Now in this term, you will again, which formula we have used here is a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. In this, what you will do, you will apply the formula here. It will become a square minus b square. A square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b. A plus b, ये b है बच्चे, b. A plus b, a minus b. Now open the bracket. After opening the bracket, the sign will change where minus sign is there. Otherwise, rest of the terms will be same. 5a plus 2b minus 7c. No change in sign because plus was there. But here we have minus sign. So this is minus 2b plus 7c. So these 2 terms are your factors of this last part. Note it down. Any doubt? So we have used here the formula a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. Now let's start with question number 3. That is regarding factorization. So first part is your ax square plus bx. Here you can see that a and b are the terms. They are not common. But here we have x 2 times and x 1 time. So you can take least power common, that is x raised to power 1. So out of these 2, x is occurring 2 times. 1x you have taken out. 1x, a is pending, x is pending. From this you have taken x outside. So you are left with b. So we have just taken x common. Is it okay? Any doubt? Next is 7p square plus 21q square. In this beta, we have p here, q here. Nothing is common from the variable, but you can take 7 common. So 7, if you have taken out from 21, it will be 3q square. 7 you have taken out, p square is left. From 21, you have taken 7 out, you are left with 3q square. So this is 7 times p square plus 3q square. Is it okay? Any doubt? In this, 2, 2 and 2 is common. X square, x raised to power 1, sorry, x cube, x raised to power 1, x raised to power 1. 2 you can take out, x you can take out, but y is a part of second term, but it is not occurring in the first and last. Z is there, which is not the part of these two. So you can just take 2 and x common. So if you take x2 common from the number, no number is pending. X you have taken here, so you are left with x square. So when you multiply it, it will give you x2. 2 you have taken, x you have taken, you are left with y square. 2x you have taken out, you are left with z square. So this is the answer. Four terms are there. So for taking common from the 4 terms, you can make the pair of 2 terms. In this, you have m square common. If you take m square common, a is left, b is left. If you take n square common, you are left with b plus a. As you know that a plus b and b plus a are same, so you can write it a plus b. This is the first term, this is the second term. Take a plus b common. ऋषिकेश 9th D क्लास. बच्चे आप इतनी देर से क्लास में, आपको ये नहीं पता चल रहा कि 8th का टॉपिक चल रहा है. टुडे यू हैव 3rd पीरियड ऑफ मैथ्स. ऋषिकेश, लीव द क्लास, join in the 3rd period. Today is Tuesday. On Monday and Tuesday we are having 3rd period of maths. Leave the class immediately. A plus b common. So if you take a plus b common, you are left with m square. So if you take a plus b common, you are left with n square. So the answer is a plus b into m square plus n square. LM plus L bracket plus M plus 1. Bracket is given. As you can see that these two terms are having L common. So if you take L common from this, you are left with M. If you take L complete outside, 1 is pending. Nothing is common in these two. So you will take 1 common. So this is the first term. This is the second term. M plus 1 is common. You are left with L plus 1. Read it out. If you have any doubt, we can do it again. But in this part, as you can see that terms have already taken common. This is the first term, this is the second term, y plus z is same. So if you take y plus z common, you are left with y. If you take y plus z common, you are left with 9. So these are the two factors. From these two terms, 5y is common. If you have taken y out, you are left with 4. From these two terms, 2 is common, z is common. So plus you will write here. If you take 2z common, z you have taken out. From 8 you have taken 2 out. You are left with 4. Minus 4 because minus is there. 2 you have taken out, z you have taken out, you are left with y. Now write it in the proper order so that you can match the term. Y will come first because it is positive, minus 4. These two terms are same. So you can take y plus 4 common. You are left with 5y plus 2z. Is it okay? Akul, keep your video off so that there will not be any connection problem. Take common. 2a you can take common. If from 10 you have taken 2 out, 5 is left, 2 5s are 10. A you have taken out, you are left with B. From this 4 you have taken 2 out, 2 is left, A you have already taken out, nothing is left. From these two terms, 2 and 5 are prime, you can't take anything common, so 1 will be common, 5b plus 2. Now from these two terms, 5b plus 2 is same, take it out, you are left with 2a plus 1. Take 2y common. From 6, if you have taken 2 out, 3 is left. Y you have taken out, you are left with x. From this 4, you have taken 2 out, 2 is left. Y already gone outside. From these two, you can take 3 out. 2 is left. If you have taken 3 out, you are left with 3x. Any doubt? Now, here, 3x is positive, 3x is negative. 2 is negative, 2 is positive. So terms do not match either each other. What you will do, you will take minus common. If you take minus common, minus will come outside the bracket. This positive term will become negative and negative term will become positive. Is it okay? Negative term will become positive, positive term will become negative. Now the brackets are entirely same. So you can take 3x minus 2 common. You are left with 2y minus 3. Any doubt from your side? Next question is question number 4. A raised to power 4 minus B raised to power 4. These questions are completely different. So listen to me carefully. 4 can be split to 2 into 2. This is your A square minus B square. A square minus B square. That is A plus B. A minus B. A plus B. A minus B. We don't have any formula for this term, so this will be kept same. And this term is A square minus B square, that is A minus B, A plus B. So we have used the formula A square minus B square is equal to A plus B, A minus B. Write it here. So whichever formula you are using, you have to write it side by side. This is A square, or you can write 3 square per square. 3 square is 9 and 9 square is 81. This is your A square. This is your B square. A plus B, A minus B. We don't have any formula for this term, so it will be kept same. One mistake is there. This is your A plus B, A minus B. This is 9. This will be kept same. This is A square minus B square, A plus B minus B. And the formula used here is A plus B, A minus B. You have to give enough practice for this chapter, otherwise you won't be able to do the sums at your own. So revise it thoroughly, do practice of these sums, write it at least 2-3 times. Each question you have to write at least 3-4 times so that you will be able to do. x raised to power 4 minus y plus z raised to power 4. This is again same. A square b square. ये a है और ये b है. A square minus b square. A plus b. A minus b. Again, we don't have any formula for a square plus b square, but you can apply the formula here individually in this. A square plus b square plus 2ab. And you will leave it as it is because no term can be solved. This is a square minus b square. A plus b. A इसके साथ आएगी a minus b. x plus y plus z और इसमें x minus y minus z. These are the three terms. And the formula that we have used here is a plus b, a minus b.